Hello everyone, this is Samri Punya and welcome back to my channel. And in this video I am going to teach you the very interesting topic related to the Republic Day. As the Republic Day is coming on 26th January, so I thought that I can teach you the topic related to Republic Day. So let's get started before any further dues. So our number first one is Tiranga, and it has three colors. And it is our national flag. It is the national flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of India, saffron kesari at the top and white in the middle and India green at bottom in equal proportion. Now our next symbol is mango, and it is our national fruit. Mango, affectionately called King of Fruits of India. Its sweet fragrance, delectable flavors have won the hearts of many around the world. Now our next symbol is tiger. Oh, it looks really very dangerous. And it is our national animal. The tiger is our national animal of India. And tiger is also called the lords of jungles. The national animal of India is a rich, colored, well-striped animal with a coat. And our next symbol is peacock. It is very beautiful and colorful. Wow, very nice. And it is our national bird. The India peacock, Pavus cristatus, the national bird of India, is a colorful swan-sized bird with a fan-shaped crest of feathers. So now our next symbol is national river, and the national river's name is Ganga. The Ganga is the longest river of India, flowing over 2,510 km of mountains, valleys and plains. It originates the snowfields of Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas as the Bhagirathi River. Now our next symbol is dolphin, and it is our aquatic animal. River dolphin is the national aquatic animal of India. Platanista gangetic has a long pointed snout and also have visible teeth in both the upper and lower jaws. Now our next symbol is national reptile, and it is called king cobra. And king cobra, world's longest venomous snake, is the national reptile of India, endemic to forests of India and Southeast Asia. King cobra has been listed on the IUCN's Red List since 2010. Now our next is banyan tree, and it is our national tree. It is green and very green, and it is our Indian fig tree, Ficus bengalensis, whose branches root themselves like new trees over a large area. The roots then give rise to more trunks and branches. Now our next symbol is pumpkin. It is orange in color, and it is our national vegetable. The national vegetable of India is pumpkin. It grows throughout India, doesn't really require great soil characteristics, and grows easily as the climber and creeper. Now our next symbol is Rashtriya Pratik, and it is called Satyameva Jayate. Satyameva Jayate is the part of mantra from the Hindu scripture Mundaka Upanishad. Following the independence of India, it was adopted as the national motto of India on 26 January 1950, the day India became a republic. Now our next symbol is national currency, and our national currency is rupees, Gandhi rupees. The India rupee is the official currency of India. The rupee is subdivided into 100 paise. Now our next symbol is Indian elephant. It is our national animal. When the elephant was declared as the National Heritage Animal of India in 2010. So now, last is we will read our National Pledge of India. So please read with me, stand up and read with me. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Now, our next is Jana Gana Mana. It is our national anthem of India and composed originally in Bengali by Rabindranath Tagore, was adopted in its Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the National Anthem of India on 24 January 1950. Now, this is Vande Mataram. You can take the screenshot of this Vande Mataram and you can read it nicely. So, thanks for watching, and if you love studying with me and also learn with me, then please do like, share, comment and subscribe. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye, good day and have a nice day. Bye bye.